Learning a few basic Arabic words can transform your travel experience. Let me show you the essentials.
Marhaba, that means hello. The simplest way to start any conversation.
Sabah al-khair, dekhair, good morning. Use it before noon, with a smile.
Masal khair, good evening. The perfect greeting as the sun sets.
Shukran. Shukran.
Shukran means thank you, a simple word that shows respect immediately.
Min fadlik.
Of course, sir.
Min fadlik means please. Politeness matters deeply in Arab culture.
Ma'a.
Voiceover, simple travel words like ma'a for water can make everyday situations easier.
Kam.
Foreign language spoken.
Kam means how much. A useful word in every shop and market. Aina. If you're lost, aina means where, and people are often happy to help. Yasar means left. Yamin means right. Simple words that can save you time. Saying I don't speak Arabic often helps people slow down and help you.
You don't need fluency. Just a few Arabic words can open doors and create real human connection.
Like and subscribe to Culture Decode for more simple ways to understand cultures around the world.